Hi there, it's Susan from Tama Gems. I came up with this earring design. It's pretty easy to make and it would look fabulous with jeans and a t-shirt or dressed up for the holidays. So let's get started making them. The supplies and tools you'll need to make these beautiful earrings. You'll need 2-inch head pins, 2 of them, 2 pieces of 6-inch gold tone wire, 2 large pearls that are center drilled from top to bottom, and these are approximately 9 by 12. You're going to need 8 3mm gold tone spacer beads, 16 tiny pearls, and you're going to need 2 earring backings. You're going to need an emery board, a pen. For tools, you'll need flush cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and bent chain nose pliers. I already wire wrapped one pearl. Now I'm going to show you how to do the other one. We're going to take our head pin and put it through the pearl. Come in with our chain nose pliers, pinch it down at the top, bring the wire to the back, use our round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate our pliers and bring the wire to the back. Now we're going to take our loop and pinch it down with our chain nose pliers, use our bent chain nose pliers and wire wrap around. Now we're going to cut off the excess and pinch down our burr. Now we're going to start making our hoop. So we're going to put on 1 gold spacer, 2 tiny pearls, another spacer, 2 more pearls, we're going to take our large pearl that we just wire wrapped, put that on, add 2 more pearls, our spacer, and 2 more pearls. And then we're going to put the last spacer on. Okay, so that's the beginning of our earring. Let's do the other side. Okay, this is where our pen comes in. We're going to use this barrel to help form our circle for our loop. So I've centered it down at the bottom. Now I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to slowly move my pearls around it. Then I'm going to take it out. And now we have the beginning of our earrings. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. Center it. I'm going to turn it around because I like the way the front of this pearl looks better. Okay, then I'm going to wrap it around and slide that out. Now we're going to bring one side with our chain nose pliers. We're just going to bring it up like that. Just bend it up. We'll do the other side. Put your pliers right at the top of that last gold pearl and bend it up. Now we're going to take our wire and we're going to wire wrap it around with our fingers. And let's do the other side. To make sure that the pearls are all in their circle. Then I'm going to wire wrap it the same way. I've got one piece of wire sticking up, the other wire coming to the side, and I'm going to use my fingers and wire wrap around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back in the pen and I'm going to reshape it to make sure that it's in a circle. And take that one out. Do the other side. Okay, now we can finish off on the top. So what I'm going to do with this wire is I'm going to make sure that it's actually at the back, ending here, because I want the front of it like this. I want the front to show the wrap loops. I don't want the front to show the cut part. So now I'm going to come in the back, cut it, and pinch down so it's flush. Okay, now let's do the other side. The same way, this is the front, or actually this is the front, and it looks like this is 2 wraps here, so I need 2 wraps in the front. So I'm going to come around again. So it looks like this. Make sure the wire's in the back. Then I'm going to cut it. Pinch it down. I'm going to cut my wire 15 millimeters. And we can do it on both sides. I'm going to take my chain nose pliers, hold the loop, and bring the wire straight to the back. Same with this one. Hold the loops that I made and bring the wire to the back. This is where my Emery board comes in. I'm going to file it down. Do this side. I've got a piece of tissue I'm going to wipe off. And then we're going to put on our earring backings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.